The Counterbore and Countersink size calculator helps you determine the correct hole dimensions for different bolt and screw head types. Let's look at the input fields. First, we have the bolt size drop-down menu. You can select from standard sizes ranging from number 4, which is 0.112 inches up to 1 inch diameter bolts, including common fractional sizes like 1 4-inch, 3 8-inch, and 1 2-inch. For this example, I'll select 3 8-inch. Next is the head type drop-down. Your options are socket head cap screw, button head cap screw, flat head cap screw, and hex head cap screw. I'll choose socket head cap screw for our demonstration. Now I'll click the Calculate Dimensions button. The calculator provides the critical dimensions you need for machining. It shows the counterbore diameter, which is the width of the recessed hole that accommodates the screw head. It also displays the counterbore depth, telling you how deep to machine the recess so the screw head sits properly. For countersunk applications, you'll get the countersink angle and diameter specifications. These precise measurements ensure your fasteners fit perfectly flush or below the surface. Find the link in the description below.